Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable always sprint in Call of Duty Mobile. So all you have to do is launch the game on your device and access this homepage. And then from here, simply tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. And then from the settings, scroll through the menu and find the basic option, rather the basic settings, and then tap on it. And then from here, scroll down until you find the always print option. So keep scrolling, scroll down until you find the always print, and you should see by default it's set to on. So if you'd like to disable it, simply tap on off, and if you like to enable it, simply tap on. And you can also adjust the sensitivity for always print. So if you like it to, by default it's set to maximum. So if you'd like to reduce it, simply tap and hold the slider and then adjust it to the left to reduce it. Or if you want to increase it, just move the slider to the right side, and that will increase the always sprint sensitivity. And that's basically it on how to enable and disable always sprint in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.